Hello and welcome to another Purveyor of Light Photoshop quick tip. Today we're going to have a quick and easy one. I'm going to show you a quick and dirty way on how to do skin retouching. Probably the fastest method I know how to do it. There are times where you want to have, spend the hours of doing fine art, skin retouching and that, and there's a proper time and place for each of it. This one I'm going to give you today is the fastest and easiest way to retouch skin. Okay, so when you want it quick and dirty, this is the way to do it. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump in. So I've got my portrait here, and she's got relatively good skin. Okay, a few imperfections there, but nothing major to worry about. So first thing I'm going to do is duplicate the background layer. Command or Control J. And now I have that duplicate layer. Okay, so now we're going to do some crazy stuff here, but stay with me. It's going to all make sense in the end. So with this layer selected, I want you to hit Command or Control I. That's to invert it. Okay, and now we're going to change the blend mode to Vivid Light. Okay, and so now we have what almost like a high pass bypass. Now I'm going to go up to Filter, and I'm going to go to Other, and then High Bypass. And I'm going to use a value of 24. Okay, you can see how much that blurs. Okay, these are pretty much defaults, by the way. So you can count on these working pretty well for most images. So high pass. Now we've got a nice blurry image. Now we're going to go up to Filter again. And then we're going to go to Blur. And then Gaussian Blur. And we're going to Gaussian Blur at about 4. Okay. And we hit OK. And now the last thing we need to do is put a mask on the layer. But we want to put an inverted mask, in other words, a mask in black, so that it hides the effect. So hold the Alt or Option key while you hit the mask button, and now you have a mask in black, which is the inverted, which hides everything. Okay, so now we're done as far as all the prep work goes. Just painting with white now. Okay, and I'm going to zoom in so you can see what happens here. Just painting in white on the mask. I just turn around, take a brush, and remove what I want to remove. Now I can change the opacity, okay, if I feel it's a little too strong, but that's all there is to it. Just turn around and painting in white, and you can see how we're touching up the skin. And it's that easy. Now, that didn't take any time at all. But what I'm going to tell you now is when you do something over, say, 3 times in your lifetime, it's time for an action. Okay? So I created an action to do this very same effect so that I could speed up my workflow. All right? So I'm going to come out here and I'm going to throw this layer away. And I'm going into my actions. And there I have my quick skin retouch. And I'm just going to show you how fast this can really be. I opened up this photo. I need to retouch it real fast and get it back out. So I hit retouch. Everything happens automatically. I didn't just turn around and painting in white. And touch up the photo. And for sake of time, I'll go a little faster. And again, stay off the areas that you don't want to lose detail, okay? You don't want to touch the eyes or certain parts of the face, the lips, so forth, so on. And just come in, and there you are. Done product, okay? And so that's how quick and easy it is if you need to do a quick and easy skin retouch, okay? And like I said, this action, you can go ahead and take the steps that I gave you to make it, or you could just simply follow the link in the video down below, and you can download this action free of charge, so that you could put it in your library. So that's it. That's this week's tip. All right, guys, I hope you're doing well, and I'll talk to you later.